Happy Makar Sankrant. എല്ലാവർക്കും മകര സംക്രാന്തിയുടെ ആശംസകൾ. गुड़ की मिठास, पतंगों की आस, संक्रांति में मनाओ जम कर उल्लास. हैप्पी मकर संक्रांति 2019. सर्वांना भोगीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. So I have got some fresh hara chana from the fields. So this is a pod and you have to break the pod. You will see the green chana or the Bengal gram, the fresh one from the fields. And this is the time usually you get to see these hara chana in the markets. Cleaning this and getting the Bengal gram out of these things is a tedious work. Yes, I agree to it, but it's a fun. I love doing it. So if you get to see these close by to your house, do get it, sort it out and make fresh real sabji from these Bengal grams. Since it's a fresh one, soaking overnight is not needed, but definitely it should be boiled thoroughly. Now after this, I'll have to separate the Bengal gram from these pods. So this harbhara is sorted out. Some are yellow in color, some are green in color, some dried. Wash the fresh hara chana and then keep it for cooking. Let it cook nicely. Ingredients for sauteing: onion 2, about 5 to 6 garlic cloves, some corrainder leaves, piece of ginger, green chilli, I'm just crushing this garlic. Take a pan, pour in some oil, splutter some mustard seeds and then some cumin seeds. Add an onion, the cut onion. Next add the garlic, ginger, green chillies, and then further saute it well. Add that cooked harbhara along with the water cook it well. Also add turmeric powder and salt to taste. It is almost over. Transfer the contents to a bowl. Hara Chana recipe is ready. Garnish it with cut coriander leaves. Mix it well. It is simply yummy and delicious. Add a lemon piece if you need it. Yummy, tasty Hara Chana recipe is ready. Oh, tasty. Goes well with chapati and rice. Do make it at home and let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and bye.